961, contact departure on 13395, we'll see ya.
3395, 961, bye-bye.
0 Bravo Echo, winds calm now, runway 1 right at Bravo, clear for takeoff.
1 right at Bravo, clear for takeoff, 0 Bravo Echo.
Legion 36, runway 1 right, full length, line up and wait.
1 right, full length, line up and wait, 96,
7 Bravo Papa, good speed, left turn at Sierra, all the way up to hold short of hotel as you exit.
Okay, good speed, left on Sierra, hold short of hotel, 7 Bravo Papa.
7 Bravo Papa, thanks, ground 121.9er for further.
19 for further, 7 Bravo Papa, see ya.
You guys parking, I'm sorry.
Take a picture.
Okay, roger that. Going Papa Julia, Las Vegas Tower, number 2, winds 1103, run 1 left, clear to land.
Good afternoon, it's Gulfstream November 550, Whiskey with you at ILS 26 left for 180 knots or better to Reland.
Gulfstream 550, Whiskey, Las Vegas Tower, good afternoon. Yes, sir, if you can, it's good speed, it's about a 4-mile final for traffic and trail, winds 1103, runway 26 left, clear land.
Keep the speed up and clear land 26 left for Gulfstream 550, Whiskey.
At 1624 at Alpha 3, you can cross runway 26 right and contact ramp directly.
Look at that.
You did Jet 535 at Whiskey, cross runway 1 right, cross runway 1 left, return to ground point 9er on the far side, please.
Crossing 1 right, crossing 1 left, and then ground point 9er on the other side, 535.
The 686, turn right at November, cross runway 1 right, ground point 1.
Right at November, cross 1 right, ground point 1, so 686.
Under 405, Hotel Mike, runway 1 right at Bravo, line up and wait.
1 right at Bravo, line up and wait, 405 Hotel Mike.
Legion 36, contact departure 13395.
Over to departure now, Legion 36, good day.
Air Canada 1064 right, turn back to Alpha, please hold short runway 26 right at Alpha 3.
Get right on Alpha, short of 26 right, Alpha 3, Air Canada 1064.
0450 Hotel Mike, wind 003, runway 1 right at Bravo, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 1 right at Bravo, 405 Hotel Mike.
United 684, Las Vegas Tower, runway 1 right, full length, line up and wait.
1 right, line up and wait, United 684. That was easy. Clear to land, 26 left.
The 684 traffic ahead, they're eastbound, wind calm, runway 1 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, United 684.
231, Las Vegas Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
1 right, line up and wait, Alaska 231.
Banner tow 99 kilo, just use caution, there should be a twin system departing northbound, departing the 17th to the southeast. They should turn before they hit the class Bravo, but just use caution.
Las Vegas Tower, wind 0703, runway 1 left, clear to land. Under 5 Hotel Mike, contact departure 13395.
Order departure, Hotel Mike.
We got 1 Papa Juliet, thank you. Turn left at November right onto Foxtrot, ground point 9er.
November right at Foxtrot, ground point 9.
Look further.
Point 1 for again, that's a 1064.
United 684, contact departure 1259er.
159, good day, United 684. Las Vegas Tower, Southwest 758, visual 26 left.
0 Whiskey Whiskey, if you can, keep your speed up. You can turn right at Alpha 7. At Alpha 7, hold short, runway 26 right.
Okay, we'll push it to Alpha 7 for Gulfstream 0 Whiskey Whiskey.
Southwest 758, Las Vegas Tower, good afternoon. Wind 0803, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Southwest 758, clear to land, 26 left.
0 Whiskey Whiskey, where are you parking today?
We're going to Atlantic, sir, for 0 Whiskey Whiskey.
0 Whiskey Whiskey, roger. Once you're off this runway, contact ground points 1 and further.
Alright, 21-1, once we're off the runway for Gulfstream 0 Whiskey Whiskey.
Eric 2 Alpha Tango, where are you parking at tonight?
Parking Quail, 2 Alpha Tango.
Tango, reverse high-speed Tango, then Foxtrot, ground point Niner.
Reverse high-speed Tango, Fox, ground point Niner, 2 Tango.
KLM 636 Heavy, traffic head is westbound, wind column, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 1 right, KLM 636 Heavy.
United 1658, caution wing turns to part Heavy, Boeing 787, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
Line of away 1 right, United 1658.
Curve 696, Las Vegas Tower, caution wing turns to part Heavy, Boeing 787, off the parallel. Wind calm, runway 1 left, cleared to land.
Noon winds calm, runway 26 left, clear to land. If you can, just keep your speed up until about a 4-mile final.
Speed up till 4 miles, we'll do that for you, and then we're going to custom. 0 winds 49.
Alaska 231, contact departure.
Departure, Alaska 231.
Jet 41, turn right at November, cross runway 1 right, ground point 1, traffic holds in position.
Right, November, cross 1 right, ground the other side, Jet 41.
Need to go to coast.
Need 7 Charlie Jewett, Las Vegas Tower.
And then Charlie Jewett with you, turning left on Bravo for holding short 1 left.